What if marijuana was allowed in your child's school?
One proposed in Olympia right now would allow children to consume pot on campus for medical purposes. King5's Jake Wittenberg here to tell us why it could be a lifesaver for one child, right?
Yeah, definitely, Joyce. Hey there, Mimi. Right now, the law says you can't have a marijuana business within a thousand feet of a school or nowhere near the campus of AJ West Elementary School here in Aberdeen, where we met one father and his daughter going to the school, River. And if a new bill becomes law, she could use medical marijuana between classes.
Pomegranate.
These days, life feels much easier for John Barkley and his daughter River, who he calls Ducky. At any moment, things can change. Ducky has a severe form of epilepsy and violent seizures were common.
She was brilliant in kindergarten, and then seizures and medications interfered with that.
Traditional medications seem to set her back. Now, John has found what he calls a miracle drug, medical marijuana, in the form of a CBD oil. It's administered on a cookie.
Sometimes I'd rub it around, or sometimes I'll let it just wait and settle in, depending on the time. I am in IT. That's what I do for a living, and I've become an alchemist, chemist, pharmacist, all in one. But if I didn't, things would be really bad for Ducky right now. Can you take a bite for the guys? Just one bite. This is a good
5 times every day,
Yeah,
Ducky has a dose of the oil, either in a cookie or applesauce. Seizures are now less common, and recovery time went from several minutes to just a few seconds.
It's not something I thought I'd have to turn to in my life. I don't use marijuana. My job requires that I don't.
Lawmakers are considering a bill that would allow parents like John to administer medical marijuana to their children in school so they don't have to miss class. CBD oil is becoming more and more common among medical marijuana users because of its therapeutic effects without the traditional high. Barkley says if he can administer it to Ducky, she could stay in class.
In a private office without any of the staff being there. They could be in the nurse's office and just give her a cookie and have a good day.
A father who will do anything
her CBD.
to help his daughter.
Yeah, hi. She.
Everything John is doing is legal. Ducky's school administrators say they'd love to help her more, but their hands are tied because of the zero policy law on their campus. There is a hearing for this bill in Olympia today. Mimi and Joyce, there's bipartisan support here. They spent $1,000 on CBD oil for her, and we have seen this time and time again. Parents are finding that they are getting help in ways they never thought they would see. They're getting their kids back.
You know, when you first see the headline, marijuana in schools,
Right.
it is a little shocking, but then
Right.
you hear the story about
Yeah, parents
how
are
it does
finding
help.
this to be such a help.
Interesting. Thanks, Jake.
You bet.
Thank you.